What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be installing a short ram intake system on the 2006 Nissan 350Z. Applies for 03 to 06 350Zs as well as G35s with the 3.5 liter VQ35DE. So the tools you're going to need today are an impact if you're lazy, an 8mm, a 10mm, and if you don't have a security bit for the mass airflow sensor, they're pretty loose. Pair of needle nose, just fine. Let's see what we got here. So I ordered this short ram intake on Amazon from DC Sports for $197. So we're gonna get a little bit more bark out of this thing for a pretty fair price. Let's see what we're working with. So we have the air filter. Nice little pod. I'm not going for straight performance with this. You never really are with a short ram intake or a hot air intake, as I sometimes like to call them, but they sound good, so that's why we're doing it. Oh, this is lightweight. I'm surprised, actually. It's lighter than I originally anticipated. And that's our intake. No branding or anything on it? Sure, I'm cool with that. Coupler, hose clamps, instructions. So it looks fairly simplistic. You've got two security bits that we're gonna use the needle nose for. You've got this bolt here to undo the air box, bolt for the hose clamp, this mounting point bolt right here, and it should come off. I say should, it will. We're gonna pop the air box off. That feels pretty loose. That doesn't feel any looser.
That's no.
Yeah, I know.
Do you?
I do. That's why I have it right here. It's right here. Niko. That's loose.
Forgetting one thing.
Ow! Pop that off. What do you see, Niko? It shouldn't, but it's like two different pieces.
Oh, it's two different pieces.
Get off me, step bro. There we go. A little bit of forceful action. Comes right out. Mass airflow sensor still in there. Be gentle with that if you do it that way. I was also very gentle with it. Oh, yep. Hey, that's a 10mm.
I didn't see that.
You could have played that off like you did. Don't lose your washer. And there's a vacuum line, isn't there?
That would be PCV time.
Is it positive or negative air pressure, Niko?
It's for the PCV system.
Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
You sure about that?
No. Sure you're gonna be able to get that off?
Because last time I checked, there's no positive air pressure in this intake. If there is,
It's for the positive crankcase. He doesn't pay me, guys.
yo, what's up? My name's Niko. I know everything about intakes.
He's just salty. I know more about Z's than he does.
Now we're gonna pull this out. So these were fairly loose last time I checked, and these are the wrong pliers for the job because they're broken. See, so all you have to do is just take these two out, And then we're gonna cut the clip after I get this one bolt out and then struggle with this one, but we're just not gonna show that. This is YouTube. So when the annoying part comes up that like everybody struggles with and is looking for in a video, you just cut past that so nobody sees how it's done. Whammo! The old bolts magically just popped out of there on their own. Don't know how it happened, but DC Sports sends you brand new hardware for the mass airflow sensor that is not security bit related, because I don't know why either Nissan was concerned about people stealing mass airflow sensors, or they're too scared that the owners of these cars were too stupid to work on this stuff themselves. So they were like, make it a security bit so nobody can work on it, or it's got to go to the dealership. I'm gonna say option 2 is most likely. Just kidding, because I'm one of these owners and I'm not stupid. Show the hardware. ASMR of me failing to put Allen key bolts in. Very not satisfying. What's the opposite of ASMR? Just like cringe. Cringe. It's cringe videos. We're making cringe content. Snap! No, I'm just kidding. Okay, we're good. Let's put this thing in the car.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna feed it up through here, scratch it up. Just kidding, not gonna do that. Oh, I see a problem. I don't know how you turbo guys deal with this shit all the time. Blowing boots off on the side of the road.
Oh, my God, Tanner.
What?
While I was fitting this on, Tanner dropped one of the hose clips all the way down there.
From all the way over here, I threw it down there while Nico was messing with that. Yep, that was definitely all me. I'm so sorry, Nico. I did not mean to inconvenience you.
Oh, sorry, Tanner.
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I putting this on here before your hose clamps? Would that be an inconvenience? Oh, it's in there. Oh, wait. Oh, you got to put the hose clamps in. You should have done that faster. I guess you'll have to take them apart now. All right, well, while I was grabbing this out from the belly pan of the car, because...
No. Put it the other way.
Why?
Put it the other way.
But now it's not...
It's hidden. It's hidden.
Are we making cringe videos?
Yes.
You're right. You're right, you're right.
Make sure that's lined up.
Well, it seems like we need more out here.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Tanner?
Nothing?
Those look like the instructions.
Nope. Well, if they happen to be the instructions, what could they hypothetically say about the potential PVC line?
PCV?
PVC.
Okay.
PCV.
Grab the camera, okay.
See,
isn't it easier with the hood up this far?
yeah, it ain't a Honda though. Some days I wish it was, but... Okay, so you do not need to trim this. Nico is crazy for saying that. I don't know what he was going on about, but it's fine.
Yep.
All right, there's some stuff that just magically happened on its own. No, I'm just kidding. So what we did was we left the hose clamps loose. Nico got this bolt here, started threading. We tightened this down so it sits where it needed to, and then we tightened up the hose clamps. Now, plug your mass airflow sensor back in. Grab your air filter.
Struggle to put it in.
Put it on your head.
Yes.
Nico, cut the clip. Okay, so take this bolt right out, or just don't do it up first. Scooch that aside. Then you can squeeze your filter in. Push that on. Real easy like. Like I said, you're just gonna push this on real easy like. Just like that. You know, just push it on real easy like. It just tighten it up. That's all you gotta do. Okay, so yeah, real easy like. Just put it on exactly how I demonstrated it.
There you go, Tanner.
Thanks, Nico. I appreciate you. Get this right back in there. Wherever the, never start threads by hand. That's for rookies. Okay. You now install the hot air intake on your 350Z, but it's gonna sound nar. See how she sounds.
That sounds
pretty good.
Yep.
I like it. I like it like that.
Got the most important part, Tanner. Sticker. See, now it's a race car. There's a little protective film over that.
Like a cut, G. Well, the hot air intake is installed. Nico's head is hotter than ever because he's mad at me because of the whole vacuum line situation.
Yep.
He's always threatening me. Anyways, if you liked the video, subscribe, like, share, or just watch, or all of the above. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time. This engine bay is very dirty. We're gonna.
You never put tools away. That's it. You're losing radiator privileges.
What?
Yeah. It's not secure anymore. Sorry. Pretty good. This isn't an exhaust, right? Doesn't pop very well.